Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we could customize, however they are inactive right now. It is because we are using the time and the time zone which are set automatically by a network. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options, and now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change it, confirm it with OK, of course. Here just by swiping we can change the time also. It will be immediately applied. And the time zone, just tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available time zones, so just find it and tap on it, for example this one. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, however be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. Here you've got also the time format, so you can change it. You can kind of manually decide which one you want to use, so the 24-hour or 12-hour format. So let me pick 12-hour format, for example. And here we've got the dual clock, which simply means that you can display two different clocks. The first one with the time from the place in which you're currently in, and the second one from any other place in the world, up to you, which is quite cool. You can set it by using the second clock option. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to manually customize the date and time. Of course, you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here and picking the auto time format. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the date and time in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.